Look at this giant fruit growing quietly in a small village garden. At first glance, it looks like a pumpkin, but it's actually something very different. This is called a winter melon, and some of them can grow bigger than a watermelon. Hello everyone. Today we are in a small tropical village garden, where a very special plant is growing. This giant fruit is called winter melon, also known as ash gourd. Many people in Asia grow this plant for food, medicine, and traditional cooking. The winter melon plant grows like a vine. It spreads across the ground or climbs over supports. The leaves are large and soft, helping the plant capture sunlight. After the yellow flowers appear, the fruit slowly begins to grow. At first it is very small, but over time it becomes incredibly large. One of the most surprising things about winter melon is its size. A mature fruit can weigh more than 10 kilograms. Some farmers have even grown winter melons weighing over 20 kilograms. That makes it one of the largest fruits in the gourd family. One of the most surprising things about winter melon is its size. A mature fruit can weigh more than 10 kilograms. Some farmers have even grown winter melons weighing over 20 kilograms. That makes it one of the largest fruits in the gourd family. The fruit grows slowly over several weeks. At the beginning it looks like a small green ball. As it matures, the skin becomes thicker, and the color turns pale green. In some varieties, a white waxy layer forms on the surface. That is why it is also called ash gourd. In many Asian countries, winter melon is used in cooking. It can be made into soups, stews, desserts, and even drinks. The texture is soft and it absorbs flavors very well. Some people also believe the fruit has cooling properties for the body. 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, village garden life. In village gardens like this, plants grow naturally with the environment. The soil, sunlight, and rain help the plants grow strong. Many families grow vegetables like this in their backyard gardens. It is a simple but beautiful way of living close to nature. When the fruit becomes large, and the skin hardens, it is ready to harvest. Because of its size, it must be handled carefully. One fruit can feed an entire family. Here is a fun fact. Winter melons can last a very long time after harvest. Some can even be stored for months without spoiling. This makes it an important food crop in many regions. Nature always surprises us with amazing plants, from a small flower to a giant fruit like this winter melon. If you enjoyed discovering unique plants from village gardens, don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature videos. Inside this giant fruit is something surprisingly refreshing and useful. This fruit is called winter melon, also known as ash gourd. Even though it looks large and heavy on the outside, the inside of the fruit is actually very light and full of water. Because of this, winter melon is considered a refreshing and healthy food in many parts of Asia. One of the biggest benefits of winter melon is that it is very low in calories, making it a great ingredient for people who want to eat healthy while still feeling full. The fruit also contains important nutrients such as vitamin C and several B vitamins. These nutrients help support the immune system and keep the body functioning properly. Another interesting benefit of winter melon is its high water content, which helps keep the body hydrated, especially in hot climates, where refreshing foods are very important. Winter melon is not only healthy, but also very versatile in cooking. In many Asian kitchens, winter melon is commonly used in soups because the fruit absorbs flavors very well. It can also be added to stews with meat, seafood, or vegetables, creating delicious and comforting dishes. In some regions, winter melon is even used to make sweet desserts. The fruit can be cooked with sugar and turned into candied winter melon, which is popular in traditional sweets. Another popular use is winter melon tea, or winter melon drink, a refreshing beverage enjoyed in many countries. Because the fruit can grow very large, a single winter melon can provide food for an entire family. Another amazing fact about this fruit is that it can last for weeks or even months after harvest if stored properly. This makes winter melon a valuable crop for farmers and village gardeners.